All right, here we go. Second property. Give you a quick view. A lot shorter hallway. This has a 3-car garage to it. And then immediately to the right, you have like a double door study. You got to the living room quickly, and over to the left. Laundry room. Bedroom. Did a good job. This one also looks good. Carpet in the bedrooms. Tile looks in good shape. Corian countertops. And a second bedroom right here. So far you have a den and 2 bedrooms with a bath. A 3-car garage back here. Actually a very good size. It's even deeper than normal. It's a nice plus for renters, I would assume, that having a bigger garage. Okay. To our living room. Very good size. Open floor plan. Dining room and kitchen. Or dining area and kitchen. Granite countertops with the dark cabinets. So, nice subway tile black backsplash. Stainless steel appliances. I'm going to take you over to the master. Master is a little bit smaller than the other one, but still great size. This looks like a king size bed. Plenty of room in here. Darker cabinets here. Nice large shower with tile, but you do have the wallpaper here. And then also in the toilet you have wallpaper. And closets. A little bit smaller than the other home. Yep. Closets are quite a bit smaller than the other home, but they're still good size. So smaller closets, bigger garage. And then I'm also going to show you your outside patio. This patio is a little larger than the other one. And you have a straight view right out to the lake. This is also an extended lanai. It is larger than the other one. But both have nice views. This one looks a little bit nicer on the view. Okay.